Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Node 16+, React 18, and a package manager. Once done, obtain your OpenAI API key and place it in. Env as React app OpenAI KEY to avoid exposing it. Next, install Axios or rely on Fetch for HTTP calls and scaffold a simple React app and a chat component. This gets you into the first actionable step: wire environment, install HTTP library, and verify a working component before moving into request. Now implement the core request flow. First, set up a backend proxy or serverless endpoint to keep the API key secret. Do not call OpenAI directly from browser. Then craft a post payload with model, messages array, max tokens, and temperature. Use Axios, post or fetch to forward to OpenAI. Once you get responses, parse content, update React state, and render messages. If you need low latency, enable streaming and append partial chunks to the UI as they arrive. To finish, wire up error handling, retries, and clear loading and empty states so users know what's happening. Make sure to sanitize user input and enforce rate limits on your proxy. Log requests for easier debugging. Test end-to-end. Confirm the front end hits your backend, CORS is set, and React app OpenAI key is loaded. If responses differ, inspect response shapes and status codes. If something goes wrong, check proxy auth, CORS headers, and whether the environment variable is actually available to the build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.